Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will tackle the complex issue of motherboard short circuits, a common yet challenging problem for many tech enthusiasts. To start, let's gather the essential tools you'll need: a precision screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure your work area is clean and static-free. First, disconnect the power supply and remove the motherboard from the case. This usually involves unscrewing several screws that hold the motherboard in place. Remember to keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later. Once you have the motherboard out, visually inspect it for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or blown capacitors. Next, if you notice any debris or dust, take a soft brush or compressed air to clean the motherboard gently. This is crucial because dirt can also cause shorts. If you're uncertain about cleaning it yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your motherboard gets the thorough examination it requires. Now, let's use the multimeter. Set it to continuity mode and check for any shorts between power and ground. If you find a short, take note of the area and the component. At this point, if you don't have the tools to proceed, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device assessed. If you've identified a faulty component, it's time to desolder it. Use your precision screwdriver to remove any screws holding the component in place. For desoldering, heat up your soldering iron and apply it to the solder joint. Once the solder is melted, gently pull the component away. If you are uncomfortable with this process, consider our quote before repair service, allowing you to understand the costs involved without any surprises. After removing the faulty component, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any leftover solder or debris. This cleaning step is essential for ensuring a good connection when you install the new part. Once the area is clean, place the new component in position and solder it back onto the motherboard carefully. Make sure there are no solder bridges or shorts between adjacent pins. After soldering, do another continuity test with your multimeter to ensure the short has been resolved. Finally, reassemble the motherboard and install it back into the case, making sure all screws are securely fastened. Connect the power supply, and turn on your device to check if it boots up correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a smooth service at your convenience. With these steps, you should now have a better understanding of how to handle motherboard short circuits effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.